Hello there, hi everyone. Peace be upon you all. In this video, we will discuss about how to use save copy as menu and how to use a query for the first time. Well, basically, save copy as menu is situated somewhere in here. From the file menu, we can see drop down sub menu. There are save copy as menu in here. It's not highlighted, means it's still not active yet because we haven't opened any table yet. And for query menu is situated somewhere here. It's one of main menu bar here next to object menu and table menu. From this query, we will use query select or SQL query select. That's may be useful for us to sort some of uh, data with specific attributes. Okay, let's begin. I will using default data from mapinfo. It's called soil geochemistry data. You can find it from locally C. Go to program data and come discover 3D and go to discover 3D tutorial and uh, we go to geochem folder and we'll have soil geochemistry data. I will put the detail of the file path in the descriptions. So we'll go hit open. This is the range of soil geochemistry sample. We have some of spread in grid configurations and some in uh, relative southwest northeast traverse directions. We will see the attribute of this data by go to window and window, drop down to new browser window, or by pressing F2 on keyboard. So we will see the attribute of the data. All of this point data that have been created in vector data has specific file attributes, or in mapinfo we also know as Windows browser data. So from this browser, we would like to sort. Okay, let's say we want pick some data from gold grade that larger or more than 0. Let's say 0.3, mean we only want to sort or we only want to select the gold grade with more than 0.3 data. Okay, by going to query, now all of the no some or all of the query menu is active since we've already opened our table data, and go to select. Now as you may see here, one of the table is open. Now we would like to pick or select uh, some attribute from gold that having grade more than a 0.3, 0.3. Okay, we go click assist here, or if you have already familiar with, you can type directly here, but I just go to assist buttons to allow me uh, managing the query field more easily. So at first we pick the column, which column we want to uh, use. I go to gold column here and then pick the operator. uh, there's some expressions that may be useful. I will use the simple one. I will use larger or equal to, meaning 0.3 is included uh, in these selections. I will put 0.3 means all of the data from the gold grade that larger or equal to 0.3 is will be included in the selections. Before we hit OK, we used to verify it first whether our expression is correct or not. If we hit verify, some uh, uh, pop-up uh, warnings appear here. It says that the syntax is correct, so it's not a problem at all. And I hit OK. When we hit OK, automatically, uh, I mean, we have verified it. And if we click OK afterwards, it will automatically select all of the gold data that having uh, gold grade more than 0.3. As you may see here, 0.3, 0.34, 0.36, and so on and so forth, but excluding all of the value that lower than 0.3. Now, we may wondering that all of the data that been selected, that just selected, we want to separate this data without modifying the original or the existing table by creating kind of new table or something like that. Now that's why we're gonna employ the save copy as submenu from file menu. So just hit save copy as here, and save copy as menu windows is showed up. There are two options here we can be selected: the soil chemistry, the original table one, and the query one. As you may see here, our new browser window's name is query one. So we want to keep or save as all of these selected attributes with respect to our terms we have been just created, and we're gonna separate it into new table. So we have to uh, hit save as button here, and then just create our new table name, and 0.3 for example, and then hit save. So yeah, it's all done. When we hit the close all window, let's try to check it out. More than 0.3, and we open it. Yeah, that's it. So all of the data that's shown here is respect to our constraint that we just been created, that containing gold grade more than or equal to 0.3. If you hit F2 button from keyboards, so all the data is on the display here is uh, having having the gold value more than 0.3. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.